Hi there, welcome to TintworX. We carry 4 levels of shade in stock, so we have 50%, 35%, 20% and 5%. This is also known as Limo or privacy film. If you want total privacy in the back of your vehicle, this is the one for you. 20% is more like a factory standard. If it came with the factory tinted, this is what you're going to be looking at. And then we have a light shade here, which is 35%, and the lightest we do is 50%. Okay. For the rules, anything behind the driver's seat, you can put as dark as you like and there isn't a problem. If you want privacy in the back, but still want the visibility out the back of your car, then we do a combination called the TORBAY TINT. So 5% on the sides, 20% on the rear. This gives you great visibility at night or when you're reversing. It still gives you the privacy you want in your vehicle because the light is brought down inside the vehicle by the 5% on the sides, and this looks the same because of that. So you get great continuity across the vehicle. Thank you.